Take a ride in the 2025 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.